Hi everyone, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you something exciting, something that you can all use for your personal and business payments. It's really easy and convenient to use. I'm going to show you how you can scan your documents and invoices with a new document reader. I mean with the QR code reader PayEye from Crealogics. PayEye comes in this case, which looks like a cube. Hold on, I'll just take it out. This looks interesting. Something a bit different. A pretty spacey thing. Looks a bit like an eye, as the name PayEye suggests. It's like a futuristic piece of art. It feels very clean and stylish. I'd be more than happy to have it on my desk and look at it. But it does need to actually do something, and that's what we're going to try out together now. Until now, I worked with this device here. That's the previous version of PayEye. It looks a bit different, a bit like a pen. And then you can run it over the code line and scan it in. I don't know how it is for you, but I've often had it slip and then had to start all over again. Maybe you're not quite as clumsy as me. Anyway, I find that PayEye sits much better in the hand. And it's also got a much bigger scanning surface. Can you see? So I would say, buy PayPen, and let's look at what PayEye can do. PayEye is already looking to the future as well. And with just one click, scan the QR code, and all your data is sent straight to your software. For example, I work with PayMaker, but you can also use PayEye with any other finance software or with your online banking. I nearly forgot. PayEye works wirelessly. For example, it works with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can choose for yourself. If you need help, no problem. In my next video, I'll explain how you can easily change the connection with just a few clicks. So, before you can get started with using your PayEye, you have to download your software first. There. Use this link, and then the process is pretty self-explanatory. At some point, you'll be asked to connect your PayEye to the computer. To do so, you'll need the cable which came with it. Here it is. Here's what the PayEye info page looks like. Here you can find instructions, FAQs, and download links for the software. Once you've downloaded and started up the software, the installation wizard opens automatically on your screen and asks you to connect PayEye via USB. The wizard then quickly checks that the firmware is up to date. If not, there's a quick update. Then it's on to the connection options. My PayEye battery is charged enough. So I now turn on Bluetooth and can take the cable back out of the PayEye. In my next video on the topic of connection options, I'll explain how easy it is to switch to a different connection. So here I'm going to select the PayMaker. If you want, you can run a test scan at this point, but I'll just skip that for now. And that's the installation successfully completed. Yes, so it worked pretty well there. Now I'm curious and want to test the PayEye a bit. To do so, I prepared something. Here I have an Orange in Payment slip and an invoice with a new QR code. They aren't in official use yet, but you can get it in the PayEye software. Print one out in the test center and see how payment will work in the future. Now I'll start with the code line. To do so, I get the PayEye, press the button, and run it over. And the data from the code line is already in your finance software. Easy and convenient. And thanks to the large scanning surface, it's no longer possible to slip, not even if you're as clumsy as I am. With the QR code, it's even simpler. You just put the PayEye over it and press the scan button, and all the data from your invoice gets transferred. And who would have thought? It even makes payments fun. So, that's it for my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, it would be great if you could give it a like or leave a comment about how you're getting on with your PayEye. I hope you all have a great day. And if you'd like to find out how you can switch the PayEye's connection from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi or USB or vice versa, then stick around. I'll be explaining that in my next video. Bye everyone!